one of the best ways to view these things is by taking a slice or a section through it. We have tools here to basically make cuts through our space here. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit. We can do this manually, grab and drag, for example, but we get to essentially do this in real time. And typically what I would do is grab one of these slices here. So if we wanted to take a cut through this space, we can take a cut. I'll turn the perspective view off so it's orthographic, everything's nice and centered. And now we basically get to look at section cuts through here. And we can take this and slide this along. So in the case of, again, making our drawings or just investigating and understanding the layout of the space, this is an extremely powerful tool for us for understanding how these existing conditions are laid out, and then being able to map and essentially draw or do the layouts of where all these objects are located. So in this case, I think what we were doing is actually installing some trusses along the top of this wall here. So I'm going to cut this the other way actually, and we'll have a look through the other side here. And let's say the left perspective, and there you go. So we have a nice cut through this space here to understand the position of these boilers, the roof line and structures that are on top. Another thing that can be particularly helpful is the way that we can view this. So there it was colored. This is essentially grading the strength of the return signal from the laser scanner. There is this very, very handy tool. It's this X-ray mode for us where it basically makes all of these points translucent so we can kind of see through what's going on. And this is a really great way for us to sort of keep track of how structures are threading around through spaces. You know, if I wanted to track any of these electrical conduits or pipes, or again, if we're tracking how these stacks are coming up through the rooftop, very, very handy to investigate that.